Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement filter specifically designed for the Dyson V11. Ensure your vacuum is unplugged before starting the process. First, locate the filter on your Dyson V11. It's usually situated near the cyclone assembly. Rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove it. If you're having trouble, a gentle twist can help. Once it's off, take a moment to inspect it for any dust or debris. Using your clean cloth, wipe down the inside of the filter compartment. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a damp cloth can be helpful, but make sure to dry it thoroughly before reassembling. Now, take your replacement filter. If you don't have one yet, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to ensure you're using the right parts for your vacuum. Insert the new filter by aligning it correctly and turning it clockwise until it clicks into place. Ensure it's secure, as a loose filter can affect suction power. Next, it's time to clean the cyclone assembly. Detach it from the main body of the vacuum by pressing the release button. Rinse it under cold water, but avoid using any detergents. Allow it to air dry completely before reassembling. If you find the cleaning process cumbersome or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service eliminates the need for any calls or travel, making it super convenient for you. Once everything is dry, reattach the cyclone assembly by aligning it and pressing it down until it locks. Now, plug in your Dyson V11 and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning properly. Check for any unusual sounds or loss of suction, which might indicate that further maintenance is required. If you encounter issues, we provide a quote before repair, helping you understand any potential costs up front. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity of your Dyson V11, so make it a habit to check and replace filters as needed. By following these steps, you can maximize the efficiency of your Dyson V11 while also prolonging its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.